Today we're going to make this super delicious and simple breakfast using tortilla to make it. Here are the ingredients. I will list them in the description box below as well. First of all, I will heat the skillet on medium heat and then put one tortilla into the skillet, crack one egg over it. I'm trying to break the yolk here. I will add some diced red bell pepper. You can use any color of bell pepper of your choice, alright? Follow with some chopped spinach and some crumble hamburger meat and some diced onion here as well. I will sprinkle with some onion powder to bring out the flavor. Black pepper to taste. Follow with mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese. You can certainly use any other cheese of your choice, okay? It doesn't have to be mozzarella or cheddar cheese, and use as much as you like. I will cover the lid and let it cook for about a minute or so until the cheese is melting just like this. And then I will roll it over just like a taco shape. Then cover again, let it cook for 30 seconds to 45 seconds on each side. And then once all the cheese are melting and the tortilla turn to golden, you can remove from the pan and continue with the rest of the ingredients. As you all know that we are very busy with our daily life schedule, so I would like to make something very simple yet very nutritious breakfast for my family. And I hope it will be one of your family favorite breakfasts as well. I used the egg white wrap tortilla in here, but it doesn't have to be this one. You can use any tortilla of your choice. I will continue the same process, just switch the topping here and there. You can use pepperoni or cheese, egg, that's all, or you can use any other topping of your choice, alright? Here I am using some diced ham, bell pepper, onion, spinach, black pepper to taste, onion powder, cheese. Do the same process until you're all done, alright? If you find any value information or you enjoy watching my video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. It will make a big difference to my channel. Also, if you already subscribed to my channel, I appreciate and thank you so much for your support. The last one here, I add some feta cheese in there as well. I just would like to share with you that the egg white wrap here is already a bit salty, so if you don't want to add salt, you can certainly omit that. And I find that it would be tastier when I eat it. And to balance the saltiness from the cheese and the egg white wrap, I add some ricotta cheese in there and it's super delicious. Here is the final result of my breakfast taco or breakfast burrito, whatever you can call. It's so soft, delicious, and cheesy. So here it is. Let's taste test to see how delicious it is. Big bite, my goodness. It's so good, so juicy, so delicious. You'll be thrilled to have this easy and simple breakfast for yourself and your family. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Until next time.